Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Project. So in this video, I will show you one project that is e-waste detection using machine learning. So let's open the project folder. In that project, user have to upload any input image to that model and it will identify the e-waste detection. So this will be the dataset. Let's open the training folder, images. So those images for the training part, like different type of drone, guitar, modem, telephone, mouse, keyboard, rotary motor, thermometer. So different type of e-waste. Total 4961 images are there. Solar panel, different type of e-waste are there. Iron, CPU, modem, pen drive. Okay, let's go back. These are the labels for those images. Okay, let's go back. This will be the output image. It will generate output image like that, like computer mouse, drone, oven, telephone set, rotary mower. Let's go back. Now open the templates folder. It will show the about.html page, base.html, index.html, live.html, and result.html. Okay, so let's go back. And these are the weight file, e-waste best.pt, and this will be the app.py file. Like this will be the interface part, and those are classes which you have to perform: battery, blood pressure monitor, boiler, cloth iron, coffee machine, computer keyboard, computer mouse, cooling display, desktop PC, digital oscilloscope, drone, electric guitar, electronic keyboard, flashlight, flat panel monitor, flat panel TV, glucose meter, HDD, laptop, microwave, music player, oven, PCB, photovoltaic panel, projector, refrigerator, rotary mover, router, server, smartphone, smoke detector, straight tube fluorescent lamp, street lamp, TV remote control, telephone set, USB flash drive, and the washing machine. Okay, those are the inputs like JPG, PNG, BMP, and WEP. The video extension MP4, AVI, MOV, MKV, and WBM. We are loading the model, allow file, annotate and save images function, annotate and save video function, live streaming function. Now index, about page, live, video feed, detect. Okay, let's close. And this will be the training code for e-waste detection. We are unzipping the dataset zip file. We are importing the Ultralytics library. This will be the complete training code. Okay, let's close. Now this will be the readme.txt. Pre-processing in YOLO v11. In YOLO v11, most pre-processing is handled internally by the framework. Image resizing. All inputs are resized automatically, commonly to 640 to 640. Normalization. Pixel values are normalized to 0, 1. Data augmentation. Built-in augmentation such as flipping, rotation, scaling, mosaic, and mix-up are applied during training. Annotation. Labels are already expected in YOLO format, class X center, Y center, width, and height. So no extra pre-processing is needed. Data split, training, validation, and testing sets are managed by the dataset configuration. Let's close that. And this will be the requirement.txt. These are the libraries which we are using, and this will be the dataset. link. So let's open the dataset. Just copy that link and paste in any browser. Let's paste here, then enter. Okay, this is the dataset which we are using. Balanced E-Waste Dataset Computer Vision Model. So let's run the web interface part. Open terminal here and click on open in terminal and write Python space app.py. Then hit enter. Then model will load and it will generate one URL. So just click on that particular URL with control. It will open the browser and here you can upload any image and detect that particular image. So I'm selecting that particular image and then click on run detection. Then it will show a computer mouse with 0.95% accuracy. Let's new detection. Select any other image. I'm selecting that particular image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify clothes iron 0.93% accuracy. Okay. Click on new detection. Let's select any other file. I'm selecting that particular image. Then click on run detection. So it will identify cooling display with 0.89% accuracy. Let's click on the new detection. You can upload any of the image and those are the categories. You have to upload from that particular category. Let's upload any other category image. I'm selecting that particular image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify the smartphone. Let's click on new detection. Browse any other image. Let's select this image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify the rotary mover. It is 7.6% accuracy. Okay, let's click on new detection. Let's upload any other image. I'm uploading that particular image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify the USB flash drive with 0.90% accuracy. Let's click on new detection. Upload any other image. Let's select this image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify the microwave with 0.95% accuracy. Let's upload any other object. Let's upload this image. Then click on run detection. I'm uploading the drone image. Then click on run detection part. So it will identify the drone 0.85% accuracy, 84.7% accuracy. Let's click on new detection. Browse the image. Browsing any other image. Let's select that particular image. Then click on run detection. So it will identify the photovoltaic panel 0.90% accuracy, like 90% accuracy. Let's upload any other image. So we are uploading different type of images. Check it out. Now we are uploading the battery with 0.93% accuracy. Let's click on new detection. I'm uploading another image. Let's select the projector. Then click on new detection. So it will identify the projector with 0.93% accuracy. So you can upload any of the image from dataset. Okay, you can download dataset from the Kaggle. Let's select this different image. Then click on run detection. So to identify the glucose meter with 0.96% accuracy. And this will be the about us page, like about this project. This application performs object detection on e-waste categories using YOLO V11 model trained on the balanced e-waste dataset. It support image, video, and live webcam. This is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching under project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. And we are developing the projects in multiple domains in like machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, web development, app development, and game development. If you want any type of project, then you can contact us. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.